Losing heat in your Ram 1500 truck is a frustrating and freezing winter problem. Many mechanics will tell you that the entire dashboard requires removal for this major fix. You can actually flush the heater core yourself without tearing apart your entire truck interior. Locating the two heater core hoses against the passenger side firewall is your first step. These hoses carry hot engine coolant directly into the cabin to warm up your interior. Disconnecting both hoses carefully prevents dangerous coolant spills inside your precious engine bay compartment area. Attach clear plastic tubing securely to both exposed heater core aluminum pipes on the firewall. Route the return tube straight downward into an empty bucket to catch all old coolant. This simple setup ensures all toxic chemicals remain safely contained during the entire flushing process. Use a standard garden hose to gently push clean water through the lower inlet pipe. Watch the return bucket closely as brown sludge and trapped debris slowly begin flowing outward. Switch the hose between both pipes repeatedly until the draining water finally runs crystal clear. Blowing compressed air softly through the system removes remaining tap water from the internal core. Leaving ordinary tap water inside the delicate system will eventually cause severe internal metal corrosion. Refill the core completely with proper 50-50 mixed antifreeze before reconnecting the factory hoses. Start your truck engine and turn the climate control dial directly onto maximum heat output. Let the vehicle idle until the engine reaches normal operating temperature for proper system bleeding. Your vents will now blast intensely hot air without requiring expensive dashboard removal labor costs.